A very good morning, guys, and welcome to Trade Setup with Tanmay, your 5-minute audio podcast before the chaos begins. Gift Nifty is trading around 24,691, just flat on yesterday's close. But the big news is being shown on the Asian markets, where Nikkei is down by almost 1.2%, trading around 42,731, 540 points lower. Straits is also down 0.5%. Taiwan is down 0.6%, 132 points lower. Jakarta and Shanghai are some Asian markets which are showing some signs of positivity as of today morning. But US markets closed on a positive note yesterday and once again reached their highs of 21,713 on Nasdaq, whereas the S&P 500 closed at 6466, 20 points higher. So US was positive, Dow Jones futures is trading positive, Asian markets is mixed, and Gift Nifty is trading flat. FIIs have sold another 3644 crores of equity as of yesterday, 13th August, whereas DII bought 5623 crores of equity, taking their monthly figures to 51,899, and FIIs have sold around 22,264 crores of equity this month. If we talk about results, we are seeing around 530 earnings that have to be declared today. So today is the last day of probably earnings where a lot of companies are going to declare their results as well. So IOC, Ashok, Leyland, Vodafone, Idea, Glenmark, Pharma, Inox Wind, Hindustan Copper. These are some names where you have to keep a watch on the results as well. If we move to Nifty, Nifty has been showing signs of volatility, but yesterday we saw the volatility come down, that is the VIX come down again to a level of 9.4 on 14th August, that is today's expiry. So we have a big day panning out. The synthetic future has closed around 24,650. All the concentration has happened around 24,700, and that's where pros and clients have positioned themselves, where clients, if we talk about, have a net long exposure of 4,15,000 shares, of which 50,000 call options they have bought, whereas on the put side they have sold around 3,65,000 options on the put side. If we talk about futures, they have a long exposure of 1,26,000 as well. If we talk about pros are having a net exposure of minus 1,41,000 shares, that is they are short on the market. The short has been created by just buying flattish calls, so they have almost 645 shares open on the call side on the long side, but on the put side they have 1,41,000 shares. So clients are going heavy longs, whereas pros, if we talk about, they are neutral to negative. So what can happen? 24,700 is that hurdle where a lot of build-up has started to pile up. The walls are lower. Straddle, if we talk about 24,650, Straddle is trading around 113 points, whereas the calendar, if we see the calendar at 24,650, that is a long straddle minus a short straddle, is trading around 175 points. So the advice trade is going again a short calendar and buying today's straddle and selling next week's straddle, that is a long gamma trade, expecting volatility to rise further as well. So on the sectorial front, Inox Pharma has been leading and is showing extremely strong signs and is extremely positive. It is followed by auto, capital markets, metals, CPSC, and small cap as well. On the short side, we have realty that is not showing any strength as of now, as well as some banking and financial stocks. So you have to keep a watch on that as well. On the TK screener, what I'm seeing is that gold on MCX is trading around 1,487 rupees and should not be considered for shorting and is trading at neutral zone. Silver is in strong buy, which is trading at 1,15,231, whereas crude on MCX is trading at 54.90 and is in sell category. Natural gas is trading at 246, again sell. Bitcoin is in neutral right now, trading around 1,21,000, and dollar index is at 97, whereas USD INR, we have to keep a watch on if it is able to break that 87.45 mark. So currently it is trading at 87.45 and the current resistance stands at 87.50. So let's try to see whether it breaks. Today's TK algo signals are showing long on both slow and fast as well. So let's keep a track on that as well and see where the market heads. But expecting volatility in the second half, primary in the first half we should see some jumps happening, whereas after that some consolidation. Any fall towards that 24,520 can be taken as a long trade. Whereas if we look at the implied move on the market, the implied move expectation is around 520 on the downside, whereas on the upside around 770. That is the expected move. Keep a watch for that 700 level to be broken, and on the downside 550 is your stop loss, where 550 if broken we can take a stab around 520, keeping a stop loss of 24,500. So this was it, guys. This was Tanmay Kurtukoti, founder of QC Alpha, and you were listening to Trade Setup with Tanmay. This was 14th of August, Thursday, signing off at 8:30, and see you all once again tomorrow. Sorry, tomorrow is a national holiday. A very happy Independence Day to you all, and gear up for a long weekend as well. So see you back on Monday. So thank you, guys. Bye.